I have tried numerous things to get rid of my dark circles, every tutorial I've watched, all of that, and nothing seemed to work for me. But one thing that finally did work for me that I tried on my very own was using a product that you guys have seen at Target, Ulta. This is Pixi Beauty's deodorant. Just kidding, it's not a deodorant. It looks like one. Mine's a little messy. But this is the On The Glow in the shade Ruby, and this has been such a game changer for me. I was watching videos on how to get rid of dark circles, and I couldn't find anything. There was a lot of put orange under here, put green under here, and I was just like, nothing's working for me. And then suddenly I decided to try this out, and I now use this under my eyes, on my cheeks, and my lips. So I'm gonna show you guys that, and this is my very first step. Like, I'm talking, well, after moisturizer, I let my moisturizer sit for a little bit, and then I'll do this. Then I go in my under eye glow, but this definitely helps cancel out the darkness underneath my eyes. So I'm going to show you just what I do. I do have a TikTok video where I actually show me putting this over my makeup and the whole completed look. So I'll go ahead and link that down below if you guys want to check that out as well. You guys see that? It's really dark. The camera, I have actually really good lighting right here, so it's kind of making it difficult. So I do that, and then I go like this, or just swipe it right there, and that's it. At first, blender, which I need to wash, and I just pretty much go like this, and it doesn't matter like how well you blend it, because you're gonna be going over it anyways with your regular makeup. And actually, I don't want to blend it all off. I hope they never discontinue, because this is honestly a game changer for me. And I have not yet found anything else that will work like this does. This is optional. I will go in with my eye duty, but this already is just all I do. And then I put on my foundation, do my makeup, and then I'll add some on my lips for a perfect little tint. But I'll come back on here after I do my makeup, after I do my foundation part, to show you how I put it on my cheeks and my lips. So in case you just don't feel like going on TikTok, or you don't have a TikTok account, which we don't know if it's gonna be around for a long time. Just finished my makeup, so now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the blush and then the lip tint. So let me go ahead and get closer to you guys. So that's all I do. Just get my same little blender or my finger and go like that, a little over the nose. And it is so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh. Again, like that. You can add a little more if you like. Like if I feel like, you know what, let's add a little more, then we will add a little more. And it's so pretty. Like in person, you could just see like, oh, gorgeous. And it lasts. It doesn't come off. Like I don't need to touch up any blush whenever I wear this. That's why I'm like, why is this not talked about so much? And I'll just get a little bit with my finger like that, and I have lip gloss on, by the way, but look at that. It's so pretty. I'm going to try to change lighting so you guys could see. Okay, so I don't know why the audio didn't pick up on these clips, but anyways, I just said you guys need to get this. Look at the lighting, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.